My name is Cindy. As usual, I'm here. I'm gonna show you how to do something. And today, I'm gonna show you how to carve a chicken. And as you know, maybe you already don't know about this, but I'm a master now. I think I'm a master because I already learned from a bunch of videos. But actually, today is my first time doing this thing. Finger crossed. God help me, please. And let's just jump in. Come on. By the way, my match is number 204707. So I'm here. I have a knife, and basically I modify it with a fork. But usually they use like what is it called? Like a very long kind of tools. I forget the name, but they don't use fork. But here I am. I don't have the tools, but yeah, I modify it. So start with find the joint. I don't know what is it called, but you need to cut along the skin first. It's kind of easy actually. No, not really. Just cut it in the skin because it's so easy. Oh yeah, it is so easy. Why am I talking too much? I don't know. Sorry. Let's see, and then okay. Wait, I need to. You hold it like that, and as you can see, there is a joint. Oh, nice. Okay, I think I can get married now.
Bruh.
Sorry. Where's the joint? I cannot find it. They're liars. Not that easy.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think I know. Ah, okay. I found it! Yeah! Lucky me. Yeah, it is so easy. Oh my god. And here it is. This is the tie. The tie. What is it? I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. Next one. Cut along the skin like so. Yeah, pretty easy. Okay. Okay, we need to move her. Sorry. Or spiky as you can. See. Oh. Wait. I think you can't really see me. So move it. Cut it open like this. And then fire seal the joint and then snap. Ah, there it is. Okay. You know what? I saw it in one video. It said if you carve more than 3 minutes, you are disappointment. Next, you need to cut it in this part. For this part, you just follow the what? The bone. Okay. Oh yeah, you move. Okay. Okay, and then you're gonna cut like this area. Sorry, I don't know. In this area, I think you can see it. Can you see it? Can you? Oh, okay. This one is kind of easy. Okay, and then put it. Next one. Yeah, done! Alhamdulillah. Okay. This part is the wing. Oh, the best part. There you are. I can see you. Okay, this is the wing. Put it aside. Next one. And then the last part is this one. This is the best part. So it's called a tiram. What is it called? This is the part that very good because it's so juicy, and so you're gonna take it. Usually you just can snap it like this. This is a tiram. This is the tiram. For this one, you can use it for a stock or one of the chef can take it. Yeah. So sorry I forgot to do this, but if you carve for chicken, you need to separate the thigh and the drum. So find the joint like this. For the chest, the breast, what is it called? Yeah, the chest, the breast, you cut it like this. Depends on, I don't know, it depends what you're liking. knife too small. So yeah, this is how you curve a chicken. Do not serve it like this. This is in this video I only show you how to curve a chicken, not to serve it. But if you are someone who want to serve your chicken, please make it more neat. Don't make it like this. It's too messy. It's not good. They're gonna fire you if you are doing that type of job. So yeah, now just me. After this, I'm gonna enjoy this chicken with my housemate. Hope she's like it. If she don't, I'm gonna kill her. Assalamualaikum. Hello, good morning everyone. Why like that? You just want to laugh, you just want to make people laugh. Hi! No. Hi! Good morning. I don't know. Wait. Hi, good morning. Wait. And don't forget, my matrix number 204707.